this video clip, we are going to talk about function graphs. To represent a function, there are three ways. The first way is analytic method. The second way is by using the table right here. And then the third way is to using the graph. For the analytic way, basically is to use a function, the expression, mathematical expression to express the function. For example, if you plug in 1 here, then you have a negative 16 times 1 squared, which is negative 16 times 1, which is negative 16. So that means in 1 second, the free dropping object will be 16 feet below the dropping point. So the advantage for analytic method is accurate. But the trend is not that clear, because if we want to know how fast, when we drop the object, you see the object is getting faster and faster. But from the analytic expression, it's hard to see. So it's better to have a graph for that. Okay. The second way is by using the table. Previously, we have seen the example about the temperature in Reno, Nevada. Recall the previous lecture. You see right down here. Previous lecture. The temperature record in summer, July 2016 in Reno, Nevada. We can see in day 10, July 10th, the highest temperature was 80. So again, this way is accurate. But the trend means what? Means when the days goes on, the time goes on, how the temperature looks like. It goes higher or lower, not clear. That's why we say the trend is not really clear. It's not really that intuitive. It's not really that intuitive. That's why we need the graph. Now let's look at the graph. Go down. You see down here, this is the graph we get based on the table. The previous table is the temperature record, July 2016, highest temperature. In day 10, July 10th, the temperature is the lowest. And you can see from day 1, July 1st, to day 10, the temperature is actually going down. That's the trend. And then after July 10th, it's going up and then goes down. Okay, so you see the trend is very intuitive. Okay, so then later on, our job basically is based on the given analytic expression later on. We want to do is to find out the corresponding graph. That's our job. Okay. Let's see one more example right here. If you look at this example, right here, the number of eggs produced by a red bollworm is related to the environmental temperature. And the following you see, that's a table. This is a table. The following is the records for a red bollworm. Ask us to describe the relationship of the function by using the graph. Okay. So what we do is for the 70 degrees, we want to locate the x-axis. That's our x-axis, 70 Fahrenheit. And then we have a 7x. Okay, so it should be like this high. Okay, this high. And we know from 0 to 100 is this one. Okay. And then the second point is 7311. So 73 is roughly here. Okay. 11 is a little bit higher than 7. Okay. And then for the last one, 95 degrees right here, corresponding to 325x. That's slightly higher than 300. So that's the last point. And then you connect all the points together, you will get a graph. And then from here we can see the trend. What's the trend? The temperature increasing gets bigger and bigger. Then the number of eggs gets bigger. Okay, that's the trend. So the graph is very important. All right. Later on, we'll see more examples like this. I'll see you next time.